to be a publication house that shares information, opinions, and insights into current affairs, places, people, as you mentioned, and the world of fashion and entertainment. I think our Enlighten India chairman, Nitesh Mehta, and my core team have been very objective, candid, and transparent in the magazine. We at Enlighten India have conducted cover stories and interviews that appeal to the masses, and hence we have ensured that our target audience is not limited to a specific age group. We have very optimistic and positive look in our future. We are associated with 45 colleges and universities in Mumbai. Yeah, so and we are also proud to say we are associated with Mumbai Police since 2011 as their magazine media coverage center. Short brief, but thank you so much for taking the bites. Thank you so much. I'll hand it over to Okita.
Okay, so my question to you would be, I believe it's been, the magazine's been into the limelight since 2010, yes? And in so many years, it's never been the case that a dancer or a choreographer has been on the cover. So why did you choose Sandeep Soparkar to be on its cover?
I should not say so, don't record, but I've never found someone so dynamic, so energetic. Enlighten India is very proud to have featured the most enigmatic and energetic, passionate and powerful, sparkling and striving to excel, vibrant and vigorous, high-powered and hard-hitting on floor, with virtues of being kind and soft-hearted. Yes, with virtues of being kind and soft-hearted, to one and all, our own dance maestro, Sandeep Soparkar. He has a very motivational journey that is inspiring masses in all ages. He has received overwhelming support in promoting awareness of ballroom and Latin dance in India. So it's really commendable, Sandeep. Dance for a Cause is his track project performed worldwide. His contribution towards the society as a philanthropist is commendable. It is a very prestigious recognition for all Indians. Yeah. He is the first Indian dance choreographer to represent India at Cannes Film Festival. India is proud. He is also the receiver of the Yodha Award, being the latest ones, in addition to many national and international awards gathered in his journey in multi-dimensional arenas. So wish you more success and peace. Love you, Sandeep. Thank you so much, friends, for getting us featured, and we love him and we would like to feature him again and again, and hope our relations with media, with celebrities, with PRs and everyone, we thank each and every one of you. In fact, even the Roots of India, the manager and the marketing head and the owner. Thank you so much. I'll hand it over to.
Thank you so much, sir.
India is one of the most authentic Indian food restaurant with an amazing ambience, with like they've grown 1,000 plus plants with with so much of love. So each and every person coming here inherits a lot of positivity, and this is placed in Times Square, and I'm very happy to be here on behalf of my dear friend Sandeep Soparkar as well. I know Sandeep since over 18 to 20 years now, and it's a great privilege to represent Roots of India as well as my dear friend Sandeep. Thank you so very much.
Sir, my question to you is, you featured on so many magazines. So what makes this different?
Well, good evening everyone. Yes, Enlighten India is of course very special. I have always believed that dance to me means three things. 3 E's of dancing, like I call it. One is entertainment, which we all know about. One is education. हम लोग सीखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं dance, and one is enlightenment. Enlightening. That's why I think Enlighten India is so special to me. हम लोग शुरुआत जब डांसिंग करते हैं, हम लोग शुरुआत करते हैं मजा मस्ती के लिए, जस्ट टू हैव फन, टू सी समथिंग एंटरटेनिंग फॉर अस। फिर स्लोली स्लोली इसमें हमें शिक्षा मिलती है, और जब वो शिक्षा एक लेवल पे पहुंचती है, तब होता है एनलाइटमेंट, तब होता है एनलाइटन इंडिया। एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई वाज से एनलाइटन इंडिया मैगजीन एंड व्हाट आई फील फॉर डांस इज सो मच टुगेदर। And when I was told to be on the cover, I felt really privileged because I felt पूरी dancing की journey है, वो life comes in circles, dance moves in circles as well. So I think that's what made it very, very special. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So I would request you to please show us little moves of ballroom dancing, and to accompany you, we have the stunning Sheila Perucci. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome on stage. So I leave the stage to you. Ladies and gentlemen, Sandeep Saparkar and Sheila Perucci, and her magic with dance.
नहीं ले रहा हूँ।
The article, but thank you for doing the article with us. Thank you, sir, for this honor. It just feels wonderful. And I must tell you that when we shot for this cover with Akash, it was very, very special. So today Akash is here, and I would like Akash to say a few words about how it was to shoot, especially for an India cover. First of all,
to Mehta sir for putting me on the cover of Enlighten India. It's one of the most prestigious magazines और 10 सालों से 12 सालों से मैगजीन चली आ रही है और पहली बार कोरियोग्राफर को कवर पे लाया गया है. इट्स वंडरफुल. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि मेरे लिए डांस के 3 मतलब होते हैं. 3 E's of dancing. One is entertainment, one is education and one is to enlighten. So ये तीनों पर्पस जो हैं डांस के सॉल्व होते हैं और एनलाइटन के साथ जुड़ना थ्रू माई मीनिंग ऑफ डांस इट्स वेरी वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू मिस्टर मेहता. थैंक यू.
मेहता सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे संदीप सर को कवर पे लेने के क्या प्लान्स थे, कैसे वो ऑन बोर्ड आए, थोड़ा सा उस बारे में.
11 साल से अपनी मैगजीन्स चल रही है और जैसे मैंने बताया कि संदीप जी से बात कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं, काफ़ी टाइम से फ्रेंड्स हैं. बहुत सारे इवेंट्स किए, बहुत सारे साथ में हम लोग ने ट्रैवल किए, लेकिन एक बोलते हैं एक स्पॉट मिल नहीं रहा था कि कैसे करें. और ये लॉकडाउन में हम लोग इतने क्लोज आए और उनके जो फिलैंथ्रोपीज, उनके जो सोशल कॉज, उन्होंने जो सी हैज़ गिवन बैक टू द सोसाइटी. तो आई सेड के इज़ अ मल्टी टैलेंटेड मैन, इज़ अ वेरी गुड सोल. और मैंने बोला कि संदीप जी अगर आप कहीं शूट करा ले तो चलो हम लोग जनवरी न्यू ईयर में हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करें. इट वॉज लाइक अमेजिंग एनी टाइम बिकॉज हम लोग में रिलेशंस ऐसी है ना कि इट इज़ लाइक ही इज़ एनलाइटन इंडिया, आई एम संदीप सोपरकर, वी आर लाइक वन. मगर ये सोच ही नहीं आई थी, लेकिन बोला कि 2021 के जनवरी में हम लोग ये बिगिनिंग करें. एंड वी हैड अ वेरी गुड शूट विथ आकाश एंड देन वी प्रोजेक्टेड. इंटरव्यू भी इतना लंबा चला, वी हैड टू कट डाउन ऑन सो मेनी थिंग्स बिकॉज देयर वर सो मेनी एस्पेक्ट्स. लेकिन मैं बोला कि संदीप जी हम लोग को सब चीज़ बतानी है, आपकी जर्नी बतानी है. आप आरजे थे, आप यहाँ किए, आपने बॉलरूम इंट्रोड्यूस किया, आपने लैटिन किया, आपने डांस फॉर द कॉज किया, आपने अवार्ड मिला. मतलब अपने गवर्नर के हाथों से अवार्ड मिलना इट इज़ नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग. एक पैशन होता है, एक हार्डवर्क होता है और एक गुड सोल. यानी कि अगर सब बराबर होवे तो भगवान भी अपने को ये करते हैं. सो विथ माई गॉड्स नेम परम कृपालु देव श्रीमद राजचंद्र जी, आई बिलीव टू दैट कम्युनिटी एंड आई शेयर्ड विथ हिम विद संदीप जी यू हैव टू कम टू अवर आश्रम, टेक ब्लेसिंग्स एंड we go ahead with that. So with Guru's divine blessings, Sandeep ji has a very pure heart, soul, and I'm getting goosebumps. He's a gem of a person, and this is how. आपके सामने है और आप लोग को भी काफ़ी धन्यवाद कि आप लोग इतने माध्यम में आए, आप लोग ने सुना, ये किया. So thank you so much. इसको इतना स्प्रेड कर दीजिएगा, जो फैक्ट है वो प्लीज स्प्रेड करिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच.
संदीप सर, आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, सर ने जैसे बताया कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें उनको इसमें डालनी थी मैगजीन में, तो वॉज इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू कन्वे एवरीथिंग टू देम?
Well, what was difficult was to think back and remember so many things. Dance for a Cause मैंने 2008 में शुरू किया था, तो उसके बारे में सोचना क्या क्या हुआ, कौन से शोज़ किए. सो आई थिंक इट टुक मी बैक इन टू ओल्ड डेज. आई थिंक इट फील्स वंडरफुल अगर आप अपनी जर्नी के बारे में सोचते हैं और उसके बारे में बात करते हैं और फिर उसको जब पढ़ते हैं. So it's a different feeling altogether. But yes, this interview was very special because it took me back into my times, and it's taking me ahead as to what I have in future as well. So it was a complete memory game at the same time what I have for my future altogether.
Yeah, ma'am, how was your experience? You are looking gorgeous, first of all.
Thank you.
How was your experience, today's experience? You would like to share with us, and how's your bonding with Sandeep?
Oh, the bonding with Sandeep sir is very good. Actually, I was a very big fan before I started dancing with him. And it was always my dream to dance with him. And it came true when one day he came and said, "Do you want to dance with me?" I said, "What?" He said, "Yes." And I like, "No, yes, of course I want to dance." And he is like, sir has already mentioned, he's the best person to work with. He's very humble and he respects you, appreciates everything. And it is very, very nice to work with you and dance with you. And also, sir, it's very nice to see that you are appreciating his talent, his achievements, and everything that he's done for the society. It is a brilliant thing that you have brought that out and to so many people to see and read about it and take an example of what somebody like Sandeep Soparkar has done for India.
संदीप सर, it's been 2021 चल रहा है सर, क्या रेजोल्यूशंस बनाया आपने 2021 के लिए और 2020 से क्या सीखा आपने?
रेजोल्यूशन तो मैंने कुछ नहीं बनाया थी, हम लोग बनाते हैं और तोड़ देते हैं काफ़ी सब लोग, तो रेजोल्यूशन कुछ नहीं बनाए. बट येस 2020 से ये ज़रूर सीखा कि हम लोग 2 कपड़ों में रह सकते हैं. एक ज़माना था जब हम लोग बोलते थे रोटी कपड़ा मकान. अभी रोटी ऑफ कोर्स इम्पोर्टेंट, कपड़ा इज़ नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट एनी मोर. आप 2 जोड़ी में रह सकते हैं. वाईफाई इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट ताकि आप सब कनेक्ट रहें. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मकान इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट एज वेल. सो रोटी, वाईफाई and makan is what's important. ये सीखा गया. And I think at the same time the families came together. That was the most beautiful part of 2020. हम लोग सब साथ में घर में थे, आप लोग सब साथ में घर में थे. And we realized इतने हमारे लाइफ में हम लोग भागते हैं काम के लिए, अपने पैसे कमाने के लिए, नेम फेम के लिए, कहीं पे अपने माँ बाप को, अपने घर वालों को हम लोग भूल जाते हैं, or we take them for granted. But this was a time when everyone came together, and I came together with my parents after many years, and it just felt so wonderful to have my children and my parents all together. So it was a beautiful feeling. एक घर साथ में, जो बोलते हैं ना घर साथ में जुड़ता है, बनता है, वो फीलिंग 6-8 महीना एक साथ, जो मुझे कभी कभी हफ्ता 10 दिन मिलती थी, ये इतने महीने एक साथ मिली इतने सालों बाद मेरे कॉलेज की दिनों की मुझे बहुत याद आई. एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट. 2021 has taught us through 2020 that we need to look forward to brighter things, be positive, stay energetic. Like I always say, dance to me is like कर्ण का सुनहरा कवच. It's like लक्ष्मण रेखा. जब तक सीता लक्ष्मण रेखा के अंदर थी तब तक वो सुरक्षित थी. जब तक कर्ण ने कवच पहना था वो सुरक्षित था. Dance creates that सुरक्षा around you. So always keep dancing. 2020 taught me, it keeps me positive, it keeps me energetic, it keeps me सुरक्षित. एंड दैट इज़ वॉट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो आप लोग आर्ट को अपनाइए, और कोई भी आर्ट फॉर्म हो, चाहे म्यूज़िक हो, डांसिंग हो, कुकिंग हो, गार्डनिंग हो, पेंटिंग हो, कुछ भी हो, आर्ट जो है इट बिकम्स लाइक द कवच, इट बिकम्स लाइक लक्ष्मण रेखा. एंड स्टे पॉजिटिव, एंड दैट्स व्हाट 2021 विल ब्रिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
So any of your upcoming project after this?
वेल पहला शो की शुरुआत आज आप लोगों के सामने हुई है, एंड आई एम श्योर लॉट्स मोर कमिंग अप. येस, आई हैव अ म्यूजिकल दैट इज कमिंग अप वेरी सून. यू विल सी इट probably in March. So it's almost getting ready, where I'm doing lots of new dance forms, which is very exciting for me. And of course a few films which will take some time by the end of this year. So I think 2021 looks bright.
Sheila ma'am, any of your upcoming project would you like to share with us?
Yes, yeah. I mean, I run a business apart from being a dancer, but so there is a few things. The musical is there, and yeah, some modeling assignments, of course, and my business. Yeah. So, but you will stay tuned. Don't worry.
Mehta sir, what is after this?
The next edition, I was just telling him with this particular event, I said we need to feature on a smaller scale. And secondly, the next edition, the cover page we have is, okay, I'm announcing, we have Akanksha Puri.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
you.
so much.
Different experience for me because I work with so many models and fitness models. So he's a dance choreographer, right? So जब संदीप सर पोज करते हैं, like वो एक ऐसा रहता है ना, एक डांस, I mean उनके अंदर दिख के आता है. So I saw that type of thing in this shoot. So we started shoot in morning 10, and I guess रात 10:30. Like 12 hours we are working on this look. We completed almost 13 look in one day. So it was good experience with Sandeep Soparkar. Yeah.
Ankita ma'am, what do you want to say about Sandeep Soparkar sir, and he is on cover and you have long association with him. What do you want to say?
So my association with Sandeep sir has been for almost 12 to 15 years, I would say, as a student and then as a manager. And he always encourages. He's the one who's put me on stage, hosting everything bit by bit. And I think I've started from organizing cakes and making sure that table comes in time to hosting the show. So the credit goes to him. He's really encouraging. And it's always very, very beautiful to see him on magazine covers. क्योंकि जब आप देखते हो कि आपका टीचर what he can do and how he can present things, so it really gives you also a lot of courage to do things. So the credit goes to him.
Shakti ma'am, what do you want to say about this cover and how was your experience working with Mr. Soparkar?
Yeah.
So Sandeep is my dear friend for past 15-18 years now, and it's a great honor to see this amazing cover. Absolutely delighted to have this awesome view and amazing concept, Enlighten India, and very very pleased and honored to talk a few words about my friend Jigar's venue, Roots of India. It's a great venue, and for authentic Indian food, of course, if you live in India, you must try authentic Indian food. Then this is the place to come in at Times Square at Andheri East. So yeah, I think I know everything very closely now. It was amazing meeting the director of Enlighten India, great personality. So it's great to be here and amazing cover, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.